So what we have here is the 2020 Corvette C8. This has been a dream that's Chevy's had that's 67 years in the making that's finally come to reality. The biggest difference between this and previous generation Corvettes is that this is a mid-engine Corvette. This is the first of its kind. Chevy's never had a mid-engine car before. So along with that, you have a completely different body styling where they still kept the traditional Corvette look, but giving it a wider stance. So along with the mid-engine Corvette, you have a power plant, the 6.2 liter V8, which provides 495 horsepower and 470 foot-pounds of torque. And it's more towards a rear biased over the rear axle, which allows you to put more horsepower to the rear wheels. Now you also have a dual clutch system in this vehicle, which allows you to transfer gears without losing power.